Welcome back to Ingwa News. Panjim Mayor Rohit Monsiraj has announced a new citizens outreach initiative introducing weekly grievance sessions for the public at the Corporation of City of Panjim office. Beginning June 1, the mayor will personally hear complaints and suggestions every Monday from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. The initiative aims to provide residents with a direct platform to raise civic issues and seek timely redressal. Alongside this, the mayor is also reviewing ongoing development works across various wards and engaging with local representatives and organizations, with the move intended to strengthen on-ground monitoring and improve civic responsiveness in the city.
Yeah, see, there are a lot of initiatives. See, like I have a to-do list of like some 60 things that I need to accomplish. Right? So a lot of this work takes me outside the office mostly. A lot of the issues that people say face are, I would say, administrative issues and everything. Right? So it Monday gives me a good opportunity to at least one is to plan the whole week to see what you're doing the thing, and the other thing is to actually sit and listen to the people's grievances. Now, say for example, for 10 days the internet was down and there was a lot of people had difficulties for trade license and everything. Now that was not the fault of the corporation. That was another department that had issues with their internet, which affected us also now, right? So basic stuff like this. Now, for example, what we should have done is immediately on the second day should have made an announcement stating our internet is down. If you all have any issues, please come to us. See, we want to make this process as easy as possible, especially coming to the corporation. So coming here, sitting here every Monday, listening to people's grievances is a good way of basically getting feedback and immediate information on what the issues that people have. So we've kept Monday as that day.
So major issue किती असलो त्यांचा
No, see, as of now, our issues are various. I'd say most of the people, I would say only 20% of the issues are related to the corporation. Licensing issues, house bifurcation. Most of it have to do with other departments. Say, for example, now somebody needed to convert residential to commercial so they can apply for a business, or somebody's retaining wall had collapsed, or there were internal family disputes. So a lot of our issues are mostly to do with that. Since we are open to all issues, people come with absolutely everything. So it's not really a problem. But that is the